Chinese electric vehicles are enjoying growing popularity in the European market. Raul Jaramillo, brand and marketing manager for Kangoo Spain, said in a recent interview with Xinhua.
Tienen todo el panorama para poderse posicionar como líderes mundiales en producción de vehículos y de marcas. Entonces no nos puede extrañar que a un futuro nuestro mercado europeo esté inundado de marcas chinas.
Kangoo, a brand that is new to the Spanish and European markets, was launched in Spain last year. The company sells Chinese-built electric cars in Europe. The brand already has 20 sales points in Spain and plans to expand that number to 100 by the end of the year, the company's brand manager said.
A futuro para Kangoo y el resto de marcas chinas que están entrando ahora al mercado europeo es poder garantizar primero el posicionamiento de sus marcas, poder satisfacer las necesidades tanto de seguridad, comodidad, tecnología del público europeo.
According to Jaramillo, in order to break into the European market, Chinese car brands need to quickly establish a wide network of distributors that can provide the brand with high-quality customer support.
Una de las virtudes de una empresa china es eso, que no van a años, van a meses. Es todo muy rápido, ellos tienen la capacidad técnica, financiera y de organización para poderlo lograr.
The growth in sales of Chinese-made electric cars in the European Union is set to continue as more brands from China take steps to quickly expand across the bloc. In Spain, the number of new Chinese cars sold in the country increased from 10,000 to 37,000 last year, according to the National Vehicle Dealers Association, ANCOV.